Hey guys, welcome to YDS Competitive World. Are you ready to test your Indian polity knowledge and boost your exam preparation? In this video, we will go through some important MCQs on Indian polity, perfect for state PSC, SSC CGL, RRB NTPC, Group D, and other competitive exams. All these questions were taken from the previous year exam papers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to YDS Competitive World. Without any delay, let's get into the video. Let's start with the first question. Consider the following statements. Article 20 of the Constitution of India provides that 1. No person shall be prosecuted and punished for the same offence more than once. 2. No person accused of any offence shall be compelled to be a witness against himself. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A. One only. Option B. Two only. Option C. Both 1 and 2. Option D. Neither 1 nor 2. Option C. Both 1 and 2 is the correct answer. Second question. Consider the following statement about elections. 1. The Constitution provides that elections to the House of the People and the legislative assemblies of a state are to be held on the basis of universal adult suffrage. 2. The Constitution stipulates that there will be separate electoral rolls for parliamentary and state assembly elections. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A. 1 only. Option B. 2 only. Option C. Both 1 and 2. Option D. Neither 1 nor 2. Option A. 1 only is the correct answer. Third question. Consider the following statements about elections. 1. Journal councils have been established under an article of the Constitution of India. 2. There is a provision under an article of the Constitution of India that the President can establish an interstate council. 3. The Union Home Minister has been nominated to be the common chairman of all the zonal councils. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A. 1, 2 and 3. Option B. 1 and 2 only. Option C. 2 and 3 only. Option D. 1 and 3 only. Option C. 2 and 3 only is the correct answer. Journal councils are established as per the provisions of the State Reorganization Act 1956 and not as per Constitution. And the interstate councils are established as per the Article 263 of Indian Constitution. Fourth question. The Parliament does not have exclusive powers to make any law with respect to which one of the following subjects? Option A. Shipping and navigation. Option B. Stock exchanges. Option C. Trade and commerce in foodstuffs. Option D. Insurance. Option C. Trade and commerce in foodstuff is the correct answer. Fifth question. Which of the following statements are correct in relation to legislative procedure regarding bills in the Parliament? 1. A bill pending in the Parliament shall not lapse by reason of prorogation of the House. 2. A bill pending in the Council of States which has not been passed by the House of the People shall not lapse on dissolution of the House of the People. 3. A bill pending in the House of the People, or which having been passed by the House of the People is pending in the Council of States, shall, subject to the provision of Article 108, lapse on dissolution of the House of the People. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 1 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. Sixth question. Which one among the following is a distinguishing factor between a pressure group and a political party? Option A. Pressure groups are confined to a few, while political parties involve large number of people. Option B. Pressure groups do not seek active political power, while political parties do. Option C. Pressure groups do not politically motivate people, while political parties do. Option D. Political parties take potential stands, while pressure group does not bother about political issues. Option B. Pressure groups do not seek active political power, while political parties do, is the correct answer. Seventh question. Which one of the following prepositions is a correct description of the powers of the President of India under Article 356 of the Constitution? Option A. If the Chief Minister, in spite of commanding the confidence of Legislative Assembly, can't run his government in accordance with the Constitution, the President can proclaim emergency. Option B. If the law and order in a state completely break down, the President can proclaim emergency. Option C. The President can refer the matter to the Supreme Court for advice and act in accordance with such advice. Option D. The President can't make a proclamation of emergency if the Governor refuses to a report. Option A. If the Chief Minister, in spite of commanding the confidence of the Legislative Assembly, can't run his government in accordance with the Constitution, the President can proclaim emergency, is the right answer. Eighth question. Consider the following statements. A municipal corporation's income is derived from 1. Local tax. 2. Grants from state government. 3. Income from remunerative enterprise. 4. Tax sharing between state government and the municipal corporation concerned. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A. 1, 2 and 4. Option B. 1, 2 and 3. Option C. 2, 3 and 4. Option D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Option D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 is the correct answer. Ninth question. According to the Constitution of India, a new All India service can be created if Option A. The Parliament of India enacts a law by a special majority presided under an Article 312 of the Constitution. The Rajya Sabha passes a resolution by a two-third majority of its members present and voting and an absolute majority of the whole House. Option C. The President of India so decide and issues a proclamation to that effect. Option D. The state government initiates such a proposal. Option A. The Parliament of India enacts a law by a special majority presided under Article 312 of the Constitution is the correct answer. Tenth question. Which of the following writs is issued to quash the order of tribunal? Option A. Mandamus. Option B. Prohibition. Option C. Certiorari. Option D.
Qua warranto. Option C, certiorari is the correct answer.
11th question. Consider the following statements. 1. The first Finance Commission was contributed in 1950. 2. The Finance Commission recommends the principle which should govern the grant in aid of revenue of the state out of Consolidated Fund of India. 3. The Finance Commission recommends the distribution between the Union and states of the net proceeds of tax which are to be divided between them. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1, 2 and 3. Option B 1 and 2 only. Option C 2 and 3 only. Option D 1 and 3 only.
Option C, 2 and 3 only is the correct answer. The first Finance Commission was constituted on 22 November 1951 under the chairmanship of K.C. Niyogi. 12th question. Provision of the Constitution relating to the formation of new states can be amended by Option A. Two-thirds majority of the members present and voting in each house of the parliament, provided they also constitute majority of the total membership in each house. Option B. A parliamentary resolution which should be ratified by a majority of the state legislatures. Option C. A simple majority in each house of the parliament. Option D. A three-fourth majority in each house of the parliament. Option C. A simple majority in each house of the parliament is the correct answer. 13th question. Consider the following statements. 1. The Chief Information Commissioner is appointed by the President on the recommendation of a committee of which the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha is one of the members. 2. The headquarters of the Central Information Commission is at Bangalore. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1 only. Option B 2 only. Option C both 1 and 2. Option D neither 1 nor 2. Option A 1 only is the correct answer. Committee which recommends the name of Chief Information Commissioner includes Prime Minister, Leader of Opposition Lok Sabha, Cabinet Minister nominated by Prime Minister. Second, the headquarters of Chief Information Commissioner is at New Delhi. 14th question. Which one of the following Prime Minister did not head a minority government? Option A. I.K. Gujral. Option B. V.P. Singh. Option C. Chandrasekhar. Option D. Morarji Desai. Option D. Morarji Desai is the correct answer. Served as a fourth Prime Minister of India 1977 to 1979, leading the Janata Party government and was the first non-Congress Prime Minister. 15th question. Which of the following are the advantages of 73rd Amendment of the Constitution of India? 1. Constitutional protection to panchayats. 2. Holding of panchayat elections at regular intervals. 3. Reservation of seats for SCs and STs. 4. Reservation of seats for backward classes. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A 1, 2 and 4. Option B 1, 3 and 4. Option C 2, 3 and 4. Option D 1, 2 and 3. Option D 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. 16th question. Which article of the Constitution empowers the Parliament to legislate on matters of the state list in the national interest? Option A Article 115. Option B Article 183. Option C Article 221. Option D, Article 249. Option D, Article 249 is the correct answer. Article 249 of the Indian Constitution empowers the Parliament to legislate on matters in the state list in the national interest if the Rajya Sabha declares it necessary by a resolution supported by at least two-thirds of the members present and voting. Second question. Which of the following pairs is correctly matched? Option A. Amendment Procedure Article 268. Option B. Duties of the Prime Minister Article 74. Option C. President Rule Article 365. Option D. Interstate Council Article 264. Option C. President's Rule Article 365 is the correct answer. 18th question. Consider the following statements associated with fundamental duties in Part 6A of the Constitution. It shall not be a duty of every citizen of India. 1. To owe allegiance to the nation and to uphold and protect the sovereignty and security of India. 2. To uphold and protect the sovereignty, unity, and integrity of India. 3. To defend the country and render national service when called upon to do so. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1, 2, and 3. Option B, 2 and 3 only. Option C, 1 and 2 only. Option D, 1 and 3 only. Option B, 2 and 3 only is the correct answer. 19th question. The creation of the office of the Lokpal was first recommended by the Option A, National Police Commission. Option B, States Reorganization Commission. Option C, First Administrative Reforms Commission of India. Option D, Interstate Council. Option C, First Administrative Reforms Commission of India is the correct answer. The creation of the office of the Lokpal was first recommended by the Administrative Reforms Commission (ARC), which was headed by Morarji Desai. The ARC, established in 1966, played a crucial role in recommending the establishment of Lokpal and Lokayuktas. Here comes the last question for this section. Consider the following statements about the Attorney General of India. 1. He is appointed by the President of India. 2. He has the right to take the part in the proceedings of the Parliament. 3. He has the right of audience in all courts in India. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, 1 and 2 only. Option B, 1 and 3 only. Option C, 2 and 3 only. Option D, 1, 2 and 3. Option D, 1, 2 and 3 is the correct answer. That's it for today's MCQs on Indian polity. All these questions were taken from previous year exam papers. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to YDS Competitive World. I will be back with more important questions in the next video. Thank you for watching.